Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to 2022 update for Learn It, Do It, Make It. My name's Austin, and welcome aboard. Where are we going to go next? Well, we just finished, as of today, our 100 Days of Fusion. Now, here's the funny story about this channel, where it started from. It was all for making videos for my students for COVID and the distance learning that we all had to do. What I found out is that my students never actually used Fusion. I went to a new school, a new place where we're at, is that I never used it. And so you guys did. So instead of making these videos inactive or stop, I just kept feeding it. And you guys did an awesome job of giving me some great feedback. Now, as far as continuing on with this and where we're going to go next, that's a we. I would love to do some 3D printing. So what I'm going to do here in the near future, kind of the next month or so, is I'm going to purchase an Ender 3 V2, which is a great entry-level printer, and we're going to start some videos of 3D printing things together. And so I've specifically bought some camera, I've got some new equipment, and we are going to do a step-by-step of, I have no clue how to do 3D printing, where do I start? And this is where I would recommend. I wouldn't recommend any printers lower than this, is because the quality of the printer really goes down and you tend to spend more time troubleshooting than you do having success. But in any case, hopefully you can start this journey with me. The next thing that we're going to do, hopefully, fingers crossed, and things go well, is we're going to start off with TinkerCADs and microbits. And we're going to kind of do a deep dive of studying those. So I've got this little box over here of microbits. And we're going to see what we can get into and what kind of mess we can make. But in any case, as of all my videos have always been free, they're going to stay free. If there's any particular video you would love to see kind of more in depth, feel free to reach out in any social media platform you want. We got Twitter, Instagram, YouTube comments, whatever you like. However, if these videos have been helpful, there is one thing I would recommend and ask that you do. Think about supporting me on my Patreon account. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to use that to help build the account even further. So after 3D printing, where do we want to go next? And I've kind of had the conversation with my wife on, is building a large CNC table for my garage, mostly out of 3D printed parts. I want that to happen, but we got to go one step at a time, and we're going to start off with our Ender 3 V2. In any case, if you guys have been liking these videos, please consider supporting my Patreon account and stick around and see what kind of mess we can get into on the year 2022. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome, and I'll see you guys hopefully here soon. Take care.